Hey guys, welcome back. It's been roughly a year since I purchased this Husqvarna 324L straight shaft string trimmer, and I've had a couple questions about how it's doing, so I'm going to give you a 1-year review on it, what I think of it. Hopefully it's not too windy out here. I haven't had any trouble with it. I'm actually loving it. It is a 4-stroke, so I have changed the oil on it once, which is just a matter of removing, I don't know if you can see that well, but that is your dipstick. You remove the dipstick, turn it over, dump it out, and refill it with fresh oil. That's all there is to it. And I actually used Shell Rotella in it, 1540. Husqvarna oil is a straight 30 weight. I couldn't find any of the Husqvarna oil for it, so I just used some Rotella, which is a good oil. I like it, and it's been running fine. I use it to edge, trim, all kinds of stuff, so it's not always, I don't keep the engine, straight like this. There are times it's turned sideways. It hasn't had any trouble. It runs just fine that way. It's got plenty of power. Since I ran through the original Husqvarna line, which was a really good line, I've actually been running a 155 thousandths walk behind trimmer line that I've got, and it does bog it down a little bit, but it actually runs really nicely with it. It cuts really well with it, and it lasts a lot longer. I don't have as much trouble because, I mean, this thing does have some power, and you get into some heavier grass, heavier weeds, and it will eat up some line, especially edging along like concrete driveways, sidewalks, that sort of thing, or working around any concrete block flower beds. So I just pulled that out of the shed for this season, put some gas in it, checked my oil. I'm going to try and fire it up. I haven't fired it up yet. We're going to see how it starts after it sat all winter, and it did have some gas in it sitting. I didn't get a chance to go through and drain it. So we're going to see. Hopefully it fires up all right, and I don't have to do a whole bunch of work to it. I can't complain. Now I do have it choked, so hopefully you can hear me. But so far, I'm loving this thing. It's actually really efficient on fuel, and if you use the straight gas, you don't have to worry about keeping mixed gas around for it. I can use the same gas I use in a lawnmower, which means I have fresh gas because I'm buying that on a regular basis instead of having a can of mixed gas and sitting here for 6 months until I use it all. So here we go. I'm going to fire it up and start doing some trimming back here behind me. I'm going to try and get to the spot where you can see. Work my way around the trees, some of the flower bed here, and hopefully you'll get a good view of how it's doing. Safety first, guys. And just so you know, you can't see it, I do have earplugs in. Well guys, hopefully you get the idea. After a year, I still haven't had any problems with it. I've probably put 20-30 hours on this trimmer, and I have no complaints. I keep it stored out of the weather, so you know that does help, but it has been some heavier usage. I don't have the adapters. I don't have the adapters for this end to be able to take the head off and put a blade on it, although that would be handy in some situations to be able to have a weed blade on there to do a little bit of trimming with. But I still do have my old Stihl that has the bicycle handlebars on it, that has a weed blade on it that actually does work very well for that. But this works a lot better just for doing quick trimming around the house and the trees and everything else along those lines. I can move a lot faster with this without the bicycle handlebars. So do me a favor guys, please rate the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you have any other questions, put them down in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them for you. And like I said, this thing has been doing great. If I have any trouble with it, I will make a video and let you guys know. So please share this with your friends, and we will see you on the next one, guys.